Welcome to KreadoAI version 1.7.8, where innovation meets simplicity. Let us explore the exciting enhancements that make your experience smoother than ever before. Firstly, we've introduced new tutorials to assist our new users, helping them navigate the platform effortlessly. Additionally, we've enhanced the digital character selection process. Now, you can simply click on regions or tags to choose diverse digital characters for your voiceover videos. But that's not all. We've supercharged our video synthesis details page. Now, sharing your creations is a breeze. Highlighting our new sharing feature, you can now share your masterpieces with the world. Copy your project link, or send it via email, your creativity knows no bounds. Plus, we've added a convenient PPT download option. And for a more convenient experience, we've introduced new features. My Projects now supports PPT imports. Just click to upload your files seamlessly. Also, meet our replicate button, a time-saving gem. With one click, replicate your favorite scripts and audio configurations into your new projects. With KreadoAI 1.7.8, your creative journey has never been this effortless. Experience the future of digital storytelling today. Embrace the power of innovation with KreadoAI, where your ideas come to life.